Hi everyone, I want to show a short video on how to fix your steel handle to a macrame bag. I have 40 cords here, that is 40 crowns. I have 20 at the back, 20 in the front here. So I'm going to use 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between 5 and 6 I'm placing this, and the same thing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 5 and 6 I'm placing this. So how to fix the steel handle now? You place it this way. Have you seen what I've done? You pick it like this, you place it here, you bring it out here, you draw it, you do the same thing, you place it, you draw it from under here, you pull to secure. That's the first one. Then you come to the second. I'm using 4 cords. You bring it this way, pull it through, you bring it out. You do the same thing, bring it here, pull it through, pull it through. Then we have 2 left. You pick the third rope, you do the same thing, pull it from the back here, you bring it out, you secure it. Then you do the same thing this way, bring it here, then you pull this from here. Then we're going in for the last one. You put it this way, you bring it, you pass it through the loop. Then the last one now. We are going to roll each of the cord twice, so you can see what I've done now. Then you make a square knot to secure it in place. So that's it. That's how you're fixing your handle. You can see what I've done now. The same thing at the back. So you can see what I've done. That's how to fixing your steel handle to your bag.